We're having some fun here ourselves. The
Yes,
Explorium of Lexington is in the house. They're Lexington's children's museum located downtown. They offer hands-on galleries and exhibits to children and families that explore the fields of STEM arts, the humanities. And here with details on their Schools Out camp, we have Mary. Welcome back to the show.
Yeah, welcome back.
you.
You're always bringing fun little projects for us,
That we
Mary.
can barely handle.
That's the goal.
So, first of all, let's talk about the different camps that Explorium offers to all those kiddos out there. Because there's days, there's going to be holidays, days off that they, are going to be sitting at home. Why not go to the Explorium?
Yeah. That's exactly what we offer. So we offer when most of the time when Fayette County's out of school.
You guys are on.
We have an offering for camp. It's for kindergarten through 5th graders, and we focus, like you said, on the STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, arts, and math.
Okay. Very good.
And we try and make it as fun as possible because we're not in school. School's great, but we like to be great too. And so we have
learning something and having fun.
Exactly.
Is what you guys are all about.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So some of our camps coming up are about 3D printing or coding, about DNA, and just lots of fun things, the science of colors.
Yeah.
This is fantastic.
It does. It sounds like so much fun. And what are the ages for the kiddos, these camps?
Kindergarten through 5th grade.
Kindergarten through 5th grade.
So this task that we are barely going to be able to handle
It's for kindergarten through 5th grade.
We were trying to practice before it came to us, and we were having a little bit of a challenge.
Mary,
just
set
being
this
us.
up for our viewers here. What are we looking at?
All right, so I brought with us some 3D printing pens.
Okay, that's what these guys are.
So they're completely safe for kindergarten through 5th graders.
Okay.
They don't get too hot.
Yeah.
But it takes a plastic like this.
Okay.
And it extrudes it, it heats it up, and makes it moldable for us to
Awesome.
use.
Yeah.
So what you all are going to do is you'll hit the orange button to start it.
Orange button to start.
And then when you're done with your creation, hit the orange button to stop it.
Okay, that was the part where we got stuck. It kept going and going, and we were like, I
We want to,
And as you all do
we're doing
it,
a little tracing here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And so these are some projects we've done in the past. We had a beach camp, and we added some 3D printing in, and we had like a little starfish. We've made puzzles before. We can do some glasses with these. Very fun.
The glasses look really cool.
Those are really neat.
Yeah.
What I love about this too, Mary, is that, I mean, this is inspiring the kiddos right into fields that are tech heavy, and that they could be inspired to pursue this as a career.
Yeah, and what's great about it is even if they don't see it at home, or if they do see it at home, maybe our caregivers aren't coming home and talking about what we're doing.
Yeah.
But this is as hands-on as we can get with it.
And kids learn a lot easier when they're tactile. Like, what is that?
That's channel 36.
Oh,
Yeah.
I kind of see it.
You see that right there?
It's beautiful.
Look at that.
Look at that. That was pretty
There's a little spillage there, but you get the point, right?
Yeah.
My little glue has gone out of control. It's still going. There it is.
So what we love and what the kids love is that when you're done with your creation, it comes off the page.
Yes, it does. And
love
I
that.
did not make this, but this is really super cute.
I don't think mine's going to come off the paper, Mary. It's gonna fall apart if I try.
As we say at the Explorium, all creations are beautiful. So don't worry about it.
I like
I
that.
love
I'm going
that.
with that. This is a beautiful creation.
And I love these puzzle pieces that you made with it too. It's so cool. It really is. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
for coming
These
in.
are really neat too. So you load the plastic in here, heats it up, and then the kids.
It extrudes, and it teaches all about all of the parts of a 3D printer as well,
Right.
within your hands, and like you getting to do it instead of just sitting and watching the 3D printer mold the object.
How do you come up with these great ideas? You always come in with these awesome projects for us.
I think it's just part of the job is just looking at what's fun, what would excite me or what excites my kids at home. And I brought these home to charge last night, and they immediately saw them and were like, I want to do them.
I love that.
Yeah.
You've got a great title too, Play and Learning Director.
Yeah.
That is a good gig. So Mary, for folks that want to get their kiddos queued up to take part in these camps when Fayette County schools are off, what's the best way for them to start engaging with you?
Yeah, always checking us out on our website, explorium.com, or our social medias on Facebook or Instagram, Explorium of Lex.
All right.
That's it.
Well, Mary, thank you so much for coming in again.
You're
We
so
appreciate it.
I feel like we've accomplished something
I
here.
know, and we didn't destroy the
We
equipment.
did.
That was good.
It's all good. This was a success.
It
Mary,
was.
thanks again.
Thank you all.